guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of John, chapter 11, verse 25, where it says, Jesus told her, I am the resurrection and the life. Anyone who believes in me will live even after dying. Everyone who lives in me and believes in me will never, ever die. Do you believe this? And he was asking that to Martha. But that is something that all of us as Christians need to ask ourselves. If we have faith in God, we have to believe that God is the resurrection and the life. Then when we die, we will be in heaven with him. So this is just a powerful passage. So I wanted to use my Simple Stories Faith collection, and I picked this up last year at the Scrapbook Expo. I will put links for it. I probably can find it for you, so look down below for a link. So I'm going to be using probably the sticker right here that says believe, and then possibly some of the paper maybe, and then some other of the stickers that are in this matching sticker sheet. And I have some washi tape that I picked up at the Dollar Tree just recently, and I think it goes perfectly with this collection. I think I even have, I believe I do have some washi that goes with the Carpe Diem collection, but I just wanted to use this because I thought it was such a beautiful floral. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. Alright, so here's my final journal entry. I love how this turned out, and I really like how this washi matches the Carpe Diem collection. And this was just a simple way that you can still get in the Word and do a Bible journal entry that didn't take a lot of time, because it was just all stickers and washi tape. So if you don't have a lot of time, that's the way to go, and it still looks great. So I hope you guys have a great week. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.